Welcome to JH. If you encounter an unable to open link error when clicking a Google search result, don't panic. This is a frequent issue with a simple solution. Start by verifying if Google Chrome is active. Launch the Google Play Store and look up Google Chrome. If you see an Enable button, select it to turn the browser back on. If the button says Open or Update, then Chrome is already running. Next, ensure your browser is current. While still in the Play Store, check if an update option is available for Chrome and tap it if so. If you only see Open, your version is already up to date. If the problem persists, try resetting your application preferences. Navigate to your phone settings and select Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and choose Reset App Preferences, then confirm your choice. This process won't erase your personal data or apps. It simply restores default settings and re-enables disabled services. After completing these steps, return to your Google search and try the link again. It should now load correctly in Chrome or your preferred default browser.